Okay, this is a very exciting moment for Pit Magazine readers. As many of you know, we've had a giveaway for people when they subscribe, and it is this awesome, beautiful e-bike. And I have Amber here from Dutch Cargo Bike, who have generously donated this. So we would love to hear about the bike and also a little bit about Dutch Cargo Bike and what you guys are doing there.
Perfect. Well, yeah, this is the P9, so I ride this bike to work every day. It's a beautiful, compact little bike, which has a Bosch motor, and yeah, I can get to work for about like a whole week and back without having to charge it, so it works really, really well. You don't have to worry too much about that. The good thing is you can change the seat and the handlebars to however you personally like it.
Yeah.
So sometimes my partner sits on it and then he just, 5 seconds and it's moved to his style, and then I sit on it again and then I can just easily change it back.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And it's actually a cargo bike, isn't it? So if you wanted to, you could put some things on the back to carry.
Yeah, so the back, as you can see, is quite long. So you've got all panniers, or you can even put a seat pad on there. So sometimes my partner sits on the back. We do little groceries with it. We just put it all in the panniers. So you can even get racks and little bags for up the front to put stuff in, or like office bags. So it's really for commuting and that urban cargo commuting, which is what Dutch Cargo Bike's all about.
Yeah. So you could potentially replace your car and just use this to get to work and back and do your shopping and.
Yes, for sure. Like I said, I use it on the daily basis. Like, I rarely drive a car. We use it mainly for the bigger distances. Yeah. But we try everything below 10 Ks. We just do on the bike. So we go to the gym with it. We just pop our gym stuff in the panniers, so yeah, you're just always good to go, and you really don't need that second car.
Awesome. So good. And so Dutch Cargo Bike. So tell us a bit about Dutch Cargo Bike, like where you guys are and what you're.
Yes, so Dutch Cargo Bike was founded 11 years ago already by Emmy and Jurgen, the owners. They're Dutch. And yeah, it started with something that was missing for Emmy, as an easy way to get around with the twins that she had. And then, they imported the first cargo bike, a Buckfeeds, with the wooden box. And then it went from there. So now we're just all about replacing that second car and try to do as much on the bike. We're based in Moorabbin. Well, after lockdown's finished, they come and do some test rides. We've got a beautiful new showroom with lots of different choices for everyone, really. Yeah.
And you've just moved in, haven't you?
Yeah, we've just moved in. Like, we're good to go now. So yeah.
Awesome. Okay, well, drum roll. Mm-hmm. We'll announce the winner of the Dutch Cargo Bike. And the winner is Justine Hutchison from Woodend North in Victoria. So nice. Justine, I'm going to give you a call. I will give her a call and let her know. But so that's really exciting, and just such a great.
It is exciting, yes. Congratulations. And
good. Yeah, in Woodend, I imagine, if you're living a bit out of town or close to town, you can it helps with that when it's just a little bit longer than you might do on a bike. But
yeah, exactly. And with that e-assist, it just makes it so smooth and effortless, like you don't have to put effort in riding a bike. It's almost like driving a car. You just get on it and you go, and no sweat, nothing. So it's good.
Perfect. Okay, well, thank you so much. And so Dutch Cargo Bike, what's the website for people to check it out?
Just dutchcargobike.com.au.
Great. And in Victoria. So
yes.
All right. Thank you. And congratulations, Justine. I'm actually ringing up to say that you are the winner of the Dutch Cargo Bike. Yeah, you won it. Lucky you. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I never win anything.
Really? Oh, well, that's good.
Never, ever. Maybe it's the beginning of a winning streak.
Yeah, well, I hope so. Well, lots of people entered for it, so you were definitely the lucky one.
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you.
That's okay. No problem.
I'm
Hopefully
speechless.
it'll come to good use for you.
Oh, no, it certainly will. It really, really will. I'm really excited about it.
Oh, cool.
That's great. Yeah, we live out in the sort of out of Wood End, so it's always a drive into town, which I hate, or riding a bike, which is up and down hills, and it's kind of tricky and long and exhausting. So it's wonderful. And also, you know what, I do plein air painting, so that
beautiful.
just is an amazing, that'll just create another incredible space for that.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah, wonderful.
Awesome. Okay.
Wonderful. Thank you, Robin. Yeah, terrific.
Yeah.
Oh,